The word Muntaqim comes from the root letters Nun, Qaf, Mim, and it means to punish or to take revenge or retribution. Allah is called Al-Muntaqim. He is the one capable of punishment, the one capable of seeking retribution. Revenge means to take action in return for an offense. When it comes to humans, it may look like a negative trait. Some people take things into their own hands. People who take revenge usually associate it with anger, and after it they regret what they have done. When it comes to Allah, it is not as humans take revenge or punish. Allah punishes out of His mercy. Allah seeks retribution out of His justice and out of His wisdom. Allah doesn't punish for the sake of it. He punishes to discipline and to awaken people. Allah warns those who commit injustice repeatedly. He even shows them mercy. However, when their transgressions reach its peak and they remain heedless of the lesson, Allah will decree a punishment based on their own actions. For example, the Pharaoh was a tyrannical king. At one stage, he was killing all the male children. He committed the worst of crimes. He would severely punish those that didn't believe in his rule. Allah decided to send Prophet Musa to warn him. Prophet Musa showed him many signs and miracles and called the Pharaoh to fix his ways, otherwise there will be a punishment. However, Pharaoh mocked him and threatened to imprison him. After many warning signs were sent to the Pharaoh and his followers, Allah decided to take retribution for all the damage they had done. The Holy Quran says, "So we took revenge, فَانْتَقَمْنَا, on them and drowned them in the sea, because they called our signs lies and ignored them." The word فَانْتَقَمْنَا comes from the same root word as Muntaqim. The Pharaoh and his followers drowned in the sea. Is God not undefeatable and capable of retribution? How should we live by this name? 1. Be kind to your parents, because being disobedient or making your parents angry will cause the angels to pray to Allah Al-Muntaqim for retribution. The Holy Prophet is reported to have said, Allah has two angels, one of them who says, "O Allah, protect those who do good to their parents." The other angel says, "O Allah, destroy those people by retribution, with whom their parents are angry." 2. Always remember the power and strength of Allah. Don't be tyrannical nor cause any injustice and oppression, for the Prophet, peace be upon him, has said, "There is no retribution quicker for those that cause oppression."
الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس